Two heavyweights in online learning and community building go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, the customizable community builder, Mighty Networks. And on the right, LinkedIn Learning, the go-to source for professional online courses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. And at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map of what we're going to cover. We'll look at core purpose, community and networking, course delivery, pricing, mobile experience, AI and automation, and branding and ownership. Each category tells you where they stand. So let's get into it. All right, first up, core purpose. So Mighty Networks is pretty much built for creators and brands who want custom communities. You can bring your own audience, set up courses, run events. It's like having a digital clubhouse you actually own. But you do need to attract your own crowd. It's not a content marketplace, just saying. Now, LinkedIn Learning, it's all about professional online courses, massive content library, tons of expert instructors, and it's tied into your LinkedIn profile. So, hello, resume power. But there's not much room for community stuff. Honestly, for pure content and professional growth, LinkedIn Learning takes this round. Now, let's talk community and networking. And this is Mighty's jam. You get dedicated groups, member directories, polls, vibrant forums, engagement tools. It's crazy customizable, but heads up, the navigation can feel a little confusing at first. With LinkedIn Learning, you can sort of connect with other professionals and sometimes chat in course discussion boards, but there aren't true community spaces tied to each course. It's not super deep. So if you want that real sense of belonging and a buzzing social vibe, Mighty Networks is where it's at. Next is course delivery. Both platforms are strong here, but kinda in different ways. With Mighty Networks, you can do live classes or pre-recorded ones, host community events, even use their AI-powered course builder. They call it Mighty Co-host. Honestly, it does a lot, although the landing pages are pretty basic, and you have to manually set up discounts and stuff. LinkedIn Learning, though, is all about top-of-the-line course production, serious expert instructors, and you get recognized certificates. But you can't just create your own course and invite people. It's their set curriculum or nothing. So both are solid for teaching and learning, just not the same style. I'd call this round a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Mighty Networks actually lets you launch your own fully branded mobile app, like not just your logo slapped on it. The whole thing is yours. Pretty wild for growing your own community. All right, on to pricing. Mighty Networks gives you flexible memberships. Monthly, yearly, bundles, subscriptions in like 135 currencies. There's even a free trial to check things out. But yeah, it can get pricey, especially on the pro plans. LinkedIn Learning, tons of options. And if you already have a business or premium LinkedIn account, sometimes it's included, which is pretty sweet. You can't actually sell your own courses on there, though. For wallet friendliness and sheer value, LinkedIn Learning pulls ahead here. Mobile experience. This one's interesting. Mighty Networks lets you launch your own branded app on iOS and Android if you're on the Pro tier, which is honestly kind of wild. Your members get seamless access to courses and community on their phones. Downside, branded apps cost extra. LinkedIn Learning's app is excellent for content and tracking progress, but you get, the same LinkedIn look everywhere. No custom colors or logos or anything like that. Mighty Networks is definitely the more unique option for mobile. Now let's talk AI and automation. Mighty Networks goes all in. Mighty Co-host helps you build course outlines, landing pages, and even branding assets. Seriously, it's like an AI assistant for your community. Sure, the AI is mostly behind the scenes. Admins and creators get all the magic. LinkedIn Learning, it's got some automation for recommendations and auto-suggestions, but nothing major when it comes to building stuff. So if you want smart tools to make your life easier, Mighty wins by a long shot. Last up, branding and ownership. If you want to put your own name, colors, branding, and literally own your digital space, Mighty Networks is it. You can go full white label, even have your own app. The only real limitation, basic plans are a bit stripped down. For LinkedIn Learning, well, it's LinkedIn's brand, period. You can't put your own logo anywhere, which honestly is a deal breaker if brand identity matters to you. So obvious winner here, Mighty Networks. So after putting both platforms through their paces across all those categories, from community to pricing and AI, it's clear each has its own strengths and quirks. Take a look at the scores side by side, and it really puts things in perspective.
All right, final thoughts.
Mighty Networks, honestly, is perfect for creators, brands, and coaches who want to build, own, and grow a community with events and custom courses. If you're more about consuming high-quality, career-focused content and kind of like that LinkedIn vibe, LinkedIn Learning is the obvious choice. But if you want to host and create your own space, Mighty Networks is just the way to go. Did this comparison help you out? If you're curious, go try them out. Mighty Networks if you want community superpowers, LinkedIn Learning if you're here for the pro courses. See which one matches your goals